There are two ways your first $5,000 become $100,000. One takes more than 40 years, one takes about 14. Same money, same market. The only difference is one small habit, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. I'm Toying, a CPA and MBA with years of real client work behind me. I'm glad you're here. By the end of this video, you will have done it. The account open, the money in, one fund but, and the automatic part set up. Plus, the single decision that actually matters. No jargon you don't need and no stock picking. One honest thing first. This isn't get rich quick, and nothing here is a guarantee. It's a simple plan and some patience. The patience is the part where most people quit. If you've been sitting on cash, you're scared to start, tap like. It tells YouTube to put this in front of more people doing the same thing. You're about to fix it. Thank you. Everything here is general financial education, not advice tailored to your specific situation. I don't recommend specific investments, funds, or securities, and nothing in this video is a suggestion to buy or sell anything. If you want guidance built around your own numbers, your debt, your taxes, your financial plan, work with a qualified professional who knows your full picture. On those topics, that can be me. Otherwise, take what's useful here, check it against your circumstances, and make the call that's right for you. Here's the feeling I want to name. You've got money saved, and everywhere you look, investing is the smart, grown-up move. So you go to do it, and you freeze. What if you buy the wrong thing? What if it drops the day after? What if everyone else got a manual you missed? That feeling is normal. It's not a sign that you're behind. The whole thing was built to look harder than it is because complicated is more profitable for the people selling it. It's not hard, it's just unfamiliar. And unfamiliar, we can fix in about 10 minutes. Here's the entire plan before we touch a single button. Your $5,000 is a seed. It already holds the whole tree. It's just small right now. Growing it is three plain moves. You plant it, that's the account in one fund. You water it, a small amount added every month automatically. And that watering is the part that actually does the growing. Then you wait and let the years do the work without digging it up to check its roots. Plant, water, wait. The one real choice when you plant is how much of it rides in stocks versus bonds. And you set that by your timeline. Everything else is just where to click. If that already makes you feel like this is doable, that's the whole channel. Plain money, no hype. Subscribe and I'll keep handing you the calm version. Quick gut check before step one. Is this $5,000 even ready to invest? Two things. One, a cushion. 3 to 6 months of essentials in a separate savings account you can reach fast. That's not investing money. That's the my car just died money. It's what keeps you from being forced to sell at the worst possible time. If this 5 grand is your only savings, keep some as the cushion and invest the rest. Two, high interest debt. Paying off a credit card is a guaranteed return. Clear a 20% card and you've locked in 20% at zero risk. No GIC pays that, no stock promises that. It's not the exciting part, I know, but it's the highest guaranteed return you will ever get. One honest exception, a low rate mortgage is a real toss up, so don't lump that in. Now let's go to the steps. Step one, pick the bucket. The account is the bucket. The fund goes inside it and the bucket decides the tax. For most first timers, that's a TFSA. Everything it earns and everything you take out comes out tax free. And a nice little detail. When the TFSA started back in 2009, the very first limit was exactly $5,000. So your first 5 grand has a home that was practically built just for it. If you want a tax break now and you're saving for retirement, that's the RRSP. If this is for a first home, look at the FHSA. But if you're not sure, TFSA. You'll know it worked when the account's open. You haven't bought anything yet. That's step two. Step two, open it somewhere cheap. Two honest options. One is self-directed brokerage if you're happy to press buy yourself. Most charge no commissions to buy ETFs now. Two, a robo-advisor if you'd rather answer a few questions and have it built and kept balanced for you for a small fee. Neither is wrong. One's a bit more hands-on and cheaper, the other's more done for you. Pick the one you actually finish setting up tonight or tomorrow. The best account is an account that exists. Step three, buy one boring, bored, cheap fund. This is the part people overthink the most, and it's the simplest. Don't try to pick the winner. You don't need to. And the pros mostly can't. Over the 10 years to the end of 2024, about 95% of Canadian equity funds run full time by professionals lost the plain index. Over 15 years, there wasn't a single category out of 22 where most of them beat it. These are the experts, and most of them can't do it. So you don't have to try. Instead, buy the whole thing at once. One all-in-one ETF holds thousands of companies all over the world in a single purchase. I'm naming the category, not a ticker, on purpose. There are several, they're nearly identical. The one decision is the mix. More stocks if your timeline is long, more bonds if you need the money soon. That mix, not the brand name, is the real choice. And boring also means calm and also means cheap, which is not a small thing. A typical bank equity fund charges around 2% a year. A broad all-in-one ETF is around 0.2. On the same $5,000 plus a small monthly habit over 30 years, that gap quietly eats about $118,000. Wow. And here's literally how you press buy. The part beginners freeze on. Move your money into the account. Find the buy button. Type in the fund. Enter the dollar amount. Hit review. Hit confirm. That's the whole thing. About 60 seconds. And you own a slice of thousands of companies. It feels like it should be harder. It isn't. Step four, water it. Set up a small automatic transfer every month that buys the same fund. Same boring action on a schedule. Make it as uneventful as paying your hydro bill. And this is the part that pays off the whole title. Same $5,000, same 7% return. Watch for habits. Add nothing, and your 5 grand crawls to 100,000 in about 44 years. Add $100 a month, about 24 years. $300 a month, about 14 years, and it keeps climbing to roughly 390,000 by year 30. 500 a month, about 10 years. Find your line on that chart. That's the secret the title promised. Not the seed, the watering. The amount that felt too small to matter is the thing doing the growing. If watching that line climb did something for you, that's the feeling I write toward. Every Sunday, I send one calm money idea, no hype, the Sunday money letter. Go to cpamoneymentor.com/money letter or just click the link in the description. It's free, it's short, and it's one steady voice in your corner. Once it's set up, the biggest risk to your plan isn't the market, it's you. 3 ways people break it. 1, waiting for the perfect moment. There isn't one. Timing the market beats timing the market, and waiting is its own expensive decision. 2, chasing the exciting thing, the hot stock, the coin a coworker won't stop talking about. Investing isn't entertainment, and it isn't a competition. A bumpy ride is only worth it if it actually pays you more. Usually it doesn't. 3, digging it up. I know nobody digs up a plant. You don't plant a seed and then dig it up. But we do that with our investments all the time. Pulling out the seed every week to check the roots is how you kill it. The investors who fiddle the most tend to trail the very funds they own. The calm ones who leave the seed in the ground keep almost all of it. So that's it. You now know more than most people at the water cooler. Here's my honest take. After years of doing people's numbers, your first $5,000 is not the hero of this story. It's the seed. What turns 5 into 100 is the watering you keep up after it, plus seasons you genuinely can't rush. Anyone selling you a way to skip that part is selling you a thrill, not a result. Your first 5 grand doesn't make you rich, starting does. So don't try all 4 tonight. Do step 1. Open the account. That's it. Momentum beats perfect. Here's your checklist. 1. Make sure the money is ready, cushion in place, high interest debt handled. 2. Open the tax-free bucket. 3. Pick where? A no commission brokerage or a robo advisor. 4. Buy one broad, cheap, all-in-one fund and set the mix to your timeline. 5. Water it. Automate the monthly habit, even $50. 6. Leave it alone. And I mean it. Leave it alone. Your $5,000 was never going to be the whole tree. It was always just the seed. It's in your hand. Go plant it. That one decision, the stock and bond mix, I made a full video on exactly how to choose it. It's right here. Watch that next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.